Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you this is 14-inch 2021 and the chip is M1 Pro. You can see the RAM is 16 gigabytes and the storage is 512 gigabytes. You can see the battery capacity is 92% and the cycle count 118. You can see this and a beautiful silver color. You can see. This owner used it slightly heavy. You can see this oily sheen, and here the little problem you can see some little scratch. You can see, and here the edge. Okay, a little bit, not too much. A little bit here, and let me show you the logo surface. You can see the logo, no scratch. A little bit dirty here, no scratch. Okay. You can see the back also no problem, and you can see this port. Slightly use this port. You can see this edge. Okay, this edge a little. You can see a little slightly. Okay. Scratch. You can see. And let me show you the display. I changed the wallpaper and you can see the gray color. You can see no problem. Okay, the gray color no problem, and let me change the red color. Also, the red color no problem. The price is 5,000. Okay, the ports no problem. Okay, if you want to know more information about the MacBook, you can subscribe to my channel and the keyboard. I will share more information, more about the MacBook. Okay, see you guys in the next video.